Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Senegalese Copycat Jollof and I'll be throwing a lot of things in there, so stay tuned to see how I make it. To my heated pan here, I'm just adding about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'm letting that melt a little bit, then I'm going to go in and add my diced onion to it, and I'm going to fry that for about a minute or two. Then I'm going to go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon tomato paste and pureed tomato. And I'm going to go ahead and also add a cooking spoonful of aromatic broth. And I'm mixing that together. I'm going to cook that slowly. I'm going to cook that for about 8 minutes before I go in and introduce some spices. And you can use your favorite spices here. I'm now going to gradually introduce the spices. Here I have some aniseed and then garlic powder and some smoked paprika and also my homemade spice. So I'm just adding that, and then I'll be adding some all-purpose seasoning as well as some turmeric and some herbs. I will try as much as possible to mention my ingredients as I go along, but don't forget that I always list them down below in the description box, so I will be doing that. Now I'm just mixing everything together to make sure it's well incorporated. Then I'm going in to add my special tomato sauce that I made. I add a couple of spoonfuls and I let that cook for about 10-12 minutes on a medium-low heat. Now I'm gonna go in and add some broth, and then I'll just slowly stir that together and then season with some salt. And I'm gonna go in and add some chopped carrots and sweet potato. I will then cover and cook that for about 10 minutes. I don't want it to be too soft when I put it in the rice. I'm just removing that from the sauce, and I'm going to go in and add some pasta to the sauce as well. I told you I was going to add a lot of things to this twist jollof rice. So guys, I'm now going to add about 1.5 cup of jasmine rice washed very well, and I am combining that together. So I'll add a little bit of water and I'll let that cook for about 10 minutes. So this is how it's looking after 10 minutes, reducing moisture, and I'm just making sure to stir that. So I cooked out on a medium-low heat. I am now going to reduce it to a lower setting, and after about 10 more minutes of cooking it, I have added the mushrooms, chicken, and sausage. Okay, whatever you add, that is absolutely up to you. The original Senegalese jollof rice is cooked with fish and a lot of vegetables such as cabbage, eggplant, cassava, etc. And as you can see, this is a copycat concoction version of it. I am just making this in my own way with whatever ingredients I have got. Okay, this is a quick meal. So like you saw that I was doing earlier, I added my potatoes and carrots as well and poke a little bit of hole in there to allow the heat to circulate and let it cook properly. I did cook this for about extra 15 more minutes to 18 minutes, and this is the end result, guys. It is smelling so good. I don't know how to describe this dish to you, but I hope you try it, and guys, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and let me know. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Enjoy.